Module 4, Building a Personal Prompt Library. If you're using AI regularly, you'll start to notice that you keep coming back to certain prompts, things that work well for summarizing, brainstorming, researching, or improving your writing. Instead of typing these out from scratch every time, a structured prompt library helps you save time, maintain consistency, and improve the quality of responses. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to organize your best prompts into a system that makes them easy to access and reuse. The problem: wasting time on repetitive prompting. Right now, you might be copying and pasting prompts manually from old chats. Maybe you're digging through past conversations trying to find that perfect prompt you used last week. That can be inefficient. A better approach is to store and categorize your most effective prompts so that they are easy to find when you need them, organized by type so you can quickly grab the right one, and linked to your tools and workflows for seamless use. The solution is a structured prompt library. That's simply a place where you store and organize your most useful AI prompts, and it can be as simple or as advanced as you like. The key is to have a system that makes sense for you, something that's easy to maintain and quick to use. Where should you store your prompts? Well, there's no one single best tool, and it depends on how you work. But here are a few popular options. Google Docs or Word, a simple list of your most used prompts, very easy to edit. Notion or Evernote, more advanced options with tagging, categorization, and search. ChatGPT Projects or custom GPTs for paid users, if you want your prompts saved directly inside ChatGPT. Claude Starred Chats or Projects, which is a combination of free and paid. Quick access to important conversations in Claude. And each of these has different strengths, which we'll explore in more detail later on. How to structure your prompt library. A well-organized library means you can find the right prompt fast. And here are 3 simple ways to think about structuring your prompts. Number 1, by use case, writing, brainstorming, summarizing, critical thinking, etc. Number 2, by AI tool. Maybe you have different prompts for ChatGPT or Claude or other tools. Number 3, by complexity. How basic or advanced is it? For example, if you write a lot, you might have a folder just for editing, rewriting, tone adjustment prompts, idea generation prompts. If you frequently use AI for research, you might have a section for summarizing articles, extracting key insights, fact-checking. Hyperlinks make your library seamless. The real power of a prompt library comes when you link to it from your daily workflows. So instead of digging through lots of information before you even get started, when you schedule time in your calendar to complete a task, you can create clickable links that open a new window straight to the relevant prompt, ready to copy and paste and get going. That means one click and you're ready to go. We'll cover exactly how to do this when we set up our prompt library in Notion or Google Docs in the next videos. So what's next? Setting up your AI prompt system. Now you understand why a prompt library can be essential. The next step is actually setting it up inside your preferred tools. So in the next videos, we're going to walk through how to build a prompt database in Notion or Google Docs for advanced organization, how to set up ChatGPT projects to store and organize your prompts, and also custom GPTs, and how to use Claude Starred Chats or projects to quickly access your best interactions and workflow prompt ideas. By the end of this series, you'll have a personalised prompt system that will make working with AI faster and more efficient. Let's get started.